Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to remove someone from a group chat on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app and head to your chats. Find the group chat from which you want to remove someone. Once you're in the group chat, click on the picture in the top left corner. This will show you all the members of the group. To remove someone from the group, hold down on their name. At the top, you will see a red option that says Remove from Group. Click on it and it will ask if you want to remove that person. Confirm by clicking Remove and they will be removed from the group. It is important to note that removing someone from the group doesn't block them or anything like that. They will simply be removed from the group and other members will receive a notification about it. You can repeat this process for as many people as you want. Simply hold down on their name, click Remove from Group and confirm the removal. That is how easy it is to remove someone from a group on Snapchat. I'm not sure if you can do this if you didn't create the group, so if you have information on that, feel free to leave it in the comments below. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will do my best to answer. See you guys next time.